So guys, I found 4 different questions that if you was to input them into ChatGPT, you're going to potentially put yourself in a position of being able to earn an extra income online. And I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to jump straight into it. But before I do that, I just want to give you a quick disclaimer and let you guys know that this video shouldn't be taken as financial or business advice. My main aim with this video and just my channel in general is to give you guys the things that I'm doing myself, just so that you can be well educated and well informed when it comes to what is working out there. But now with that out of the way, let me just quickly jump straight into one of the first questions that I'm going to input into ChatGPT, which is going to be this one, which is to basically just ask it for a list of 10 of the best side hustles out there that anyone can start for them to be able to earn an extra income. This is the first and foremost thing that any of you should do, because it should be able to come back with a list of different options. And from this list, you're going to be able to pick which one is best for you to start based on your interest and also based on your skill set. The reason why I like ChatGPT is because it's really quick as well. As you can see, it's come back with the list of different side hustles. It's ranked them from 1 to 10. It's letting you know why it's great. It's also letting you know the potential startup cost. And it's also letting you know the time when it comes to being able to earn. So my recommendation to any of you out there that's watching this video that's thinking about starting some sort of a side hustle is to go through this list, understand what's going to be involved, pick the best one, based on the research that you've done. The mistake that most people make is that they will just see any side hustle, maybe see some guy on Instagram driving some sort of Lamborghini, and because of that, they want to copy what that person is doing. But it's always a good idea for you to get a general overview of the different side hustles that are available so that, again, you can do your research and pick the best one. But for the sake of this video, the one that I'm going to pick is going to be dropshipping. Reason being is because I've got a lot of experience with it. I'm doing it right now and I know that it works. So this is the one that I'm going to use as an example. But this now brings me on to one of the second questions that I'm going to enter, which is that I wanted to tell me what are the 10 best winning dropshipping products that are selling well right now. So I'm just going to enter it in just like this and then click on enter once again. Okay, perfect. So it's now come back with all of these different ideas that we can choose from, different types of products, water flosser, electric lint remover, LED makeup mirror, so on and so forth. So it's always a good idea for you to go through this list, maybe even ask it for 20 different winning products, because from that list, you're now going to be able to single it down to a few that you're going to be happy to sell. And of course, it goes without saying that with any product that you're thinking about selling, you need to do thorough research so that you don't end up wasting your time and energy. Now, there's some basic research that I do when it comes to, figuring out if a product is worth my time in selling or not. So I'm just going to use the first one in the list, which is this posture corrector brace. The first thing that I like to do is go over to Google Trends, and I like to just paste it in there just like that. Now, I'm sure most of you know what Google Trends is and how it works. It's a free tool for anyone to use that's going to give you the data of whether people are searching for a particular product on Google search. And because Google is the biggest search engine in the entire world, it's one of the best places to start for you to get an idea on if people are interested in the product. So I'm just going to enter it in there just like that and then click on explore. Okay guys, so as we can see, there has been consistent searches, over the past couple years or so when it comes to people going onto Google to search for this keyword. So just from this alone, we can tell that maybe we should do a little bit more research into it and also see if the product is even available for me to dropship. And the way that I like to figure that out is by using AutoDS. Now, by now, I'm sure that most of you already know what AutoDS is and how it works. It's one of the biggest dropshipping softwares that are out there. And the reason why I like to use it when it comes to finding a winning product is because they have the biggest database when it comes to various different suppliers and just all of the different winning products that people are having success with. In addition to that, they offer a 30-day trial, so you don't need to stress yourself out when it comes to being able to access it, because you could just come over here, start your trial, and then from there, it should take you over to your dashboard. Okay, perfect. So I've just logged into my account, and as you can see, I'm on the trending product section, and I'm just going to search for this particular item that we was able to find. So I'm just going to type it in there just like that. And as we can see, there's all of these different options. Now, the one that I'm going to click into is this one. And straight away, as we can see, according to AutoDS, the general sales are doing quite well. there's been consistent sales and there's been an increase over the last few months. I do need to emphasize that I'm just using this product as an example just to illustrate how anyone out there can start a side hustle when it comes to potentially earning an extra source of income online. So with this information, I now know, number one, that the product is doing well. And number two, I also know that I'm able to source it from a dropshipping supplier, because within the AutoDS marketplace, if I just click into the marketplace just like this, I'm going to be able to select the filters of where I want to ship to. So I'm going to select United Kingdom and I'm going to say that I want to use AliExpress. And then from there, what I'm going to do is just paste the keyword once again and then click on search. And instantly it's come back with all of these different options. Some of them come with 11 business day shipping time. Some of them come with 10. Some of them come with 9. The one that I'm going to use is this one over here because it's got a decent price. So it's going to be on this page where I'm now going to be able to see information about it. What's the shipping cost to the UK? Where's it going to ship from? The processing time, the shipping time, the product information, specifications, the policy, so on and so forth. So this is going to be the item that I'm going to use moving forward in this video. But this now brings me on to one of the third questions that I would recommend asking ChatGPT at this point, which is to give you a full business plan based on the type of product that you want to sell so that you know exactly what you need to do in a step-by-step format. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can get a specific prompt that's going to give you a custom business plan. And it's all going to come down to using this Google Dropshipping Business Plan Maker. It's going to take you through 5 or 6 different questions, but at the end of it, again, you're going to be able to have a little bit more clarity as to the steps that you need to take. So question 1 is, what type of store are you interested in creating? Because I found a posture corrector, I'm going to go with sport and fitness. What kind of products do you want to focus on? So I want to focus on highly searched for items like the one that we was able to find. Do I prefer free or paid Google traffic? I'm going to say I prefer organic traffic. How many SEO blog articles can you publish per week? Because I'm going to be using AI, I'm going to select this one. What is your goal when it comes to blog content? Of course, the goal is to build long-term organic traffic. And then finally, what is your experience with Google dropshipping? So I've been doing it for probably 6-7 years now, but if you're a beginner, you're just going to select this one. I'm going to say this one and then click on submit. Okay, perfect. So it's now come back with the custom prompt that you can paste into ChatGPT for it to give you a detailed business plan. So I'm just going to copy it just like this and then go back over to ChatGPT. I'm just going to paste everything in there just like this and then click on enter. Okay, so it's now come back with the launch checklist, all of the steps that I need to take, everything I need to do when it comes to getting started. And of course, it's come back with the details of what I need to do when it comes to setting things up, being able to automate things, being able to pick the best brand name as well. And it's going to be from this point where you're going to be able to build a custom made Shopify dropshipping store. So I'm going to select this link over here. I'm going to open it up and it's going to take me over to this page. This is what I personally use when it comes to building stores within a couple minutes. There's going to be some work that's going to be required once you're done, but it's going to take you through a step-by-step process. It's going to ask you a couple questions. I've shown this on my channel quite recently, but they've made some improvements. They've updated the quality of the stores that you're going to get once again. So that's the reason why I'm showing it to you when it comes to being able to use it to get a dropshipping store built and launched in the quickest time possible. And the good thing about this is that it also comes with a 3-month trial with Shopify. If you're not aware, Shopify is one of the biggest platforms when it comes to being able to do all of this. They've made it super easy. You can integrate various different apps. It's built to help people that are looking to start some sort of side hustle to earn an online income. And just using this store builder just makes things that much more simpler. But you're just going to go through the process, and at the end of it, you're now going to get access to a fully built Shopify store, as you can see. So this is a store that I was able to build for me. Everything is already formatted. Everything is optimized for both desktop and mobile phone. And it also loads the store with all of these different winning products. And just to quickly show you how things work when it comes to being able to list a product directly from AutoDS onto your store, I'm going to use this product again as an example. So I'm just going to click on import draft. As you can see, it says right there, item is being added to drafts. The cheapest warehouse was selected for this product and the draft upload process has now finished. So I'm just going to click on this link. It's going to be within the draft section that you can make any changes to the listing before it gets loaded onto your store. Because the way that this works is that it's pulling all of the information from AliExpress. The supplier page is pulling all of the information in terms of the title, description, just everything that the customer needs to know about the product. And essentially AutoDS is going to be able to now sync that onto your store. So as you can see, this is everything. We've got the title, we've got the product page over here, we've got the variants, for all of the different sizes, and if there's any other colors, all of the different images as well. You can remove any image that you don't want to keep. I'm going to leave it as it is because I just want to show you how the import process works. So what I'm going to do is just click on save and import. And right there, as you can see, the product has now been added to my store. So what I'm going to do is just click on this link and make sure that everything has been done accurately. Yep. By the looks of it, everything is structured how it should be. Literally, this is what the customer is going to see once they land on the product page. If they want to select a particular size, they're going to be able to do that. If they want to buy multiple and benefit from this bundle deal, they're going to be able to do that as well. But for the most part, that's what you need to know when it comes to importing a winning product onto your AI built store. And if you want me to make a more detailed video on this part of the process, I'll be more than happy to. So just put in the comments down below, do the product listing video, and I'll get onto it ASAP. But this now brings me on to the fourth question that you're going to ask ChatGPT once you've gotten to this point, which is ultimately going to help you when it comes to being able to get real life customers onto the store that you've built, which is going to be this question over here, which is, I want to auto-publish SEO blog articles on my Shopify store for organic traffic. Give me a full prompt to paste into make.com so it can produce high quality articles. And right now, most of you are probably confused thinking, Sam, what exactly does this question even mean? Well, when it comes to getting traffic onto a newly built Shopify store, there's two different ways that you can do it. You can either use paid ads, which is a great option if you've got the budget. But if you're looking for maybe a slower paced way of being able to generate sales over the long term in an organic way, it's going to be with SEO blog articles. Reason for this is that if you're able to connect your dropshipping store to a Google Search Console account, from there, what you're going to be able to do is use a tool like make.com when it comes to automatically publishing AI written articles on your store without you having to do it yourself. And this is basically what the backend looks like. All the information is going to go into a Google Sheet. From there, ChatGPT is going to write the article, and then from there, make.com is going to automatically publish it onto your Shopify store. But if I just click into the ChatGPT module, as you can see, this is the prompt that I'm currently using when it comes to writing articles for my store. Write a 1,000 word SEO optimized blog article for a specific title using the keyword from the Google Sheet. All of the information is here when it comes to the formatting, making sure to hyperlink the product, making sure to mention the product at specific points. So this is basically what I'm talking about when I say that you want to get the information from ChatGPT so that it can give you a custom-made one depending on what type of prompt or store or articles you want to write. But I'm sure most of you right now are probably intrigued by this and you want a little bit more information. So if you did want to watch another YouTube video that I made recently where I explain things step by step and how you can build this out yourself, I'm going to leave that video right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because it's already helped out so many people. I get messages all the time from people that have been able to build their own AI agent that's able to work for them in the background. So I'm sure if you're able to watch that video from start to finish, it can also help you out as well. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next YouTube video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.